it off. Make it perfect every time.
Freeze! Turn, yes! Nice job, man. That's the way to go. Let's go. Work, 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 work. All right, put your balls back on the yard line. There we go. Ice is tough every time. Good, 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 good. Over-exaggerate everything. Over-exaggerate it. Good. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Right there. Good. Feet on every time.
Square them up. Keep your eyes up. That's a good rep for us.
Let's go.
Eyes up, P1. That's a great rep.
Go the other way. Downhill lateral step. Get out of here. Rotate. Let's go. Let's go.
Here we go. Here we go. Man. 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 Next man, go. There you go. Plant his feet. Scoop that ball. All right. Ready, ready. Let's go. Here. Jump, jump, jump. Go. Go. Get over there. Get over there. That's it. On. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. You gotta be able to big grab, fellas. You gotta be able to big grab, fellas. Be quick with that swim. Run uphill, get uphill.
Good job, Bo.
Much better. Okay? You guys continue to build off the thing. Good? Alright, get a break in here.
Thoroughbreds on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, he getting bigger than me, but hey, that's why I be in the weight room with y'all. In this case, he act up just right. If y'all act up, I'm taking y'all out too.
Hey, I know it is. Stay smooth.
Slide out, slide out.
1, 2, 3. Stay smooth. Too smooth, baby. Too smooth. Tomorrow's game day. His first day full pass. Alright? And we gotta go, alright? If it's a 2-hour practice, we leave this field 2 hours better. Not a minute, not an hour 30 better, 2 hours better. And to do that, you gotta be the best conditioned boys on the grass. Linebackers gotta lead. And to lead, you gotta be the best conditioned guys out here. And you have to push it.